Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing the pizza mukbang.
Yes, sir.
Can't wait.
I'm excited, except for the pineapple pizza.
Man, you crazy. This is the best one.
For real.
I just picked the pineapples off.
What?
Make sure you eat me a pineapple.
Yeah, it's don't even. It's pointless.
So got chicken on it.
You had to tell them what kind of
Oh, this is, what is
I think
it,
this-
Italian?
No, I think this double pepperoni.
That's what the box said?
Then it's chicken pineapple.
Yeah, no.
This one
I
is-
got sausage and pepperoni.
Yeah, it's chicken.
Let's get some ham. Oh, dang, you do got hamburger too. Oh, heck yeah. Here you go, young man. Man. Those of y'all who are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Man.
I don't know how to properly cut
I just slice it.
Cut it in the middle.
I want to give a shout out to man,
Do it, don't you?
y'all subscribers, man. Y'all some real live troopers. I ain't gonna lie. Even though we was gone, man, for the time we was gone, man, y'all still came through and messed with us, man. Man, I appreciate that, man. We love y'all from the bottom of our heart.
We got way
Really?
more views than I expected.
Yeah. Promise I appreciate it. Man, we appreciate that.
Bro, it just kind of got dragged. It's not my fault. I told y'all I was gonna get this. I don't even think I cut it.
Like on Smith Nation came through.
It's a lot easier with the pizza cutter.
Yeah, I know it. Oh, we got
Yeah, alright, I'm just messing this up.
Just cut like one slice.
yeah, y'all fouling up over there.
I know, y'all, I don't know how to do this.
The pineapples is.
I got it. Here, I'm gonna just slide this down, y'all. Y'all can grab it.
Look.
Oh,
What
man.
happened is in pizza.
Look, I warned y'all. Y'all said just cut it.
We're gonna get it together though. I don't know how kind of like this. It's like tripping.
All I do is just the pineapples. I don't like sweet stuff with the pizza.
I understand.
Especially that piece of Oreos.
Look.
Y'all gonna get out there.
Man, what y'all
That's the
still on
Doreo
there?
was
What's
so
wrong with
nasty.
y'all, man?
Because it was disgusting.
Why y'all bringing up old stuff? Hey, next time somebody say something to y'all, man, pertaining to some old stuff, man, hit them with the why y'all always bringing up old stuff. Yeah.
This pizza is fighting.
I'm surprised you ain't got that damn locked down the way you be cooking.
You don't want to go out.
There you go. All right, great. Take that.
Delicious.
Got that one too. Alright. How y'all doing today? Heard somebody said something. Appreciate them for saying something. Talking to them, I ain't talking to you. You ain't said nothing. You over here trying to bite into the piece.
I mean, the pizza's good.
Okay, Tommy, baby.
Man.
Give me that other one.
That was food today, y'all.
Warm.
That was fun.
I mean,
Regular school is way better than online.
but
So, he said, when
I was just like, the people worse in normal school. Like, it has ups and downs. Like, you can you there with your friends and stuff in person, but at the same time, you there with the people you don't like in person.
yeah.
I gotta grab this. Right.
Finally.
That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Taking these off.
Let me need your hand all over.
Man, what y'all think about the cold weather outside?
We had a little bit of snow yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Just a little bit. It didn't stay long.
I hate the cold.
Yes, man.
This one is the best.
Especially because I got more, you know, like shorts to sleep in and I got pants. So, and then it'd be freezing in the morning.
Yeah.
Especially because Anthony be turning on the fan at night. So when I wake up, the fan on.
That's how her mom is. She be throw out. She be cold during the day. And hot during the night. Like, what the heck?
At nighttime, we really gotta turn our fan on.
Once we shut our bedroom door, if the fan don't come on, I gotta come out of there.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Can't wait to spring get here though. I ain't really worried about. I don't really like summer like this, but springtime, that's it. Minus the raining and all that.
I mean, I like it better than winter.
Mm-hmm. I like the fall. Like, I'm cool with in between weather.
Yeah. You know, when it's like somewhat warm at least.
Man, it happens, man. It be real hot outside. That first day is real hot. You hit the button to cut your air on, man, you get nothing. You know what I mean? Like calling for out there come fix the air.
Summer is the worst. And this summer specifically, it was hot.
It was real hot.
And then Suki wanted to go to the basketball court every day.
I don't care if it's snowing, raining, anything. He will go outside to try and play some basketball.
With no shirt on.
With no shirt on. My nephew played basketball. Rain, slow, sleet, whatever. Sunny, outside with no shirt on.
Like, we'll be burning. Then we look at him and this man has no problems.
Like he wears no shirt but has a jacket on.
Like, he good.
In the summer.
Yeah.
It'd be like almost 90 degrees. They might have on a pullover outside playing basketball.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so he made for that.
I used to play basketball a lot when I was younger. It's over with. That time I got out there on the court out there, they died.
You played last with Tuki, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. Me too, get raising and BJ.
Was it Anthony here too?
I don't remember. I don't think so though. I get down there, but if it ain't necessary.
Like, it was fun, but he wanted to play it every single day. Like, every time he came over, he would instantly ask us to play basketball the next day.
Basketball is his life.
Mm-hmm. That's all you play. Especially when we go to my mama's house.
Man, wake me up and be like, hey BJ, that's mama finna go to the court.
I went on my mama's house. This man had a backyard full of young kids. I was like, bro, what the heck? It was a yard full of them. I'm talking about they were playing basketball. I was like, bro, what the heck? About 15 of them back there.
Dang.
Yeah, they were deep back there.
Said they're having a get together.
They looking at me like, who am I? I'm like, man, who is y'all? We ain't never seen y'all before. Alright, what's one of the best out of these out here?
Definitely pineapple.
Pineapple without the pineapple.
You are aware it's got pineapple juice on it.
I barely can taste it. I mean, I can taste it, but not a lot.
I don't know, God. Pineapple is the best part to me.
Yeah.
Gross. Cute. I
This name good pineapple look out so good.
She got a lot of chicken on there.
Mm-hmm. Man. I don't know why I had bad taste with some doggone Chinese food. Some shrimp fried rice.
Okay, so for about a week and a half, I've been telling Jayla the trunk of her car was open. She go get in her car and then talking about somebody's out of gas. Then got the gas in and then said the battery dead.
Bruh.
She don't know how.
Well, then crack the goddamn car.
I told her every time we was backing out the driveway when she was in the car, your trunk is open.
You gotta worry about nobody taking nothing out of it. Ain't nothing back there. Nothing back there but a spare tire.
She wouldn't know because she always drive my car. I just told her she couldn't drive it. So now, that's how she figured it out.
Earlier, me and PJ was talking about how people getting like a whole bunch of money and they just spend it on dumb stuff.
For real. And like in a day.
It says the person who wanted me to give him $100 so he can spend
Spit
it
on Fortnite. The Roblox, yeah. Bruh.
That was different.
How?
It was for Christmas. That was the only thing I wanted at the time.
No, sir.
I had a computer though. That's
I gotta buy me a computer. I'm gonna buy me a desktop though.
Like
on a
Anthony.
PC.
Mm-hmm. I like my Xbox, but
The
It's
delay.
yeah, I'm
It's
straight.
not even just the delay. Like everything on Xbox just gets.
Xbox versus everything else. Xbox loses.
Like you gotta pay.
So I gotta get a PC.
Like you gotta pay for Xbox Live to play this stuff, but on PS4, a lot of the games you don't even have to pay for PS Plus to play it.
Well,
Even games that you can play with other people online.
yeah. I realized that it's crossplay crap. So I'm gonna make sure I do that.
I remember when Don was playing Call of Duty, and he turned off his crossplay, so he tried to find an Xbox only match. He could not find a match, so he had to turn it back on.
Then this day I broke my controller, y'all. Yep,
Anger issue.
broke the heck out of it.
I didn't even know until the next day. I was in my mom's room, and they said somebody broke my controller.
No.
The fact that this is like the third time you broke one.
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah. Cause the first two times I bought one. Then Jayla bought you one. This time it's just in there.
Yeah, no, they drift real bad. Like when they start going out, like your character, you should be standing there. Your character should be doing this stuff right here. Like, bro, what is you doing, bro?
My screen be moving up.
You sit there be shooting. You'll be shooting somebody, and then all of a sudden your character just do all that right there. So yeah.
Like I gotta constantly move my joystick or my screen just gonna
Yeah, you got it.
randomly move up.
Like you be like me and Carly play Roblox on Xbox, and you just be sitting there, playing, fighting sometimes, and then the screen go you, and you just die because you can't do nothing.
I be on Fortnite. I was. I don't play it no more. Though. It sucks.
You say that every time, then be right back on.
Like it's max level boring,
Bruh.
He hasn't been on it for a good month or two. I think.
Hold on. Oh, okay, you shouldn't spend money on Roblox, okay. What's the difference between Roblox and Fortnite?
Roblox is basically your character looks like a doll,
Kind of, yeah.
basically.
A
And
doll
you
or a
got-
puppet?
Like
A doll or a puppet?
a puppet, I would say.
Yeah. You can, buy clothes, whatever, customize them, put whatever.
Yeah.
And then, like, people, people make games on there on Roblox. Like, their own games.
Yeah.
And, you go in there and play it. They got game passes and stuff, you can buy for the game. Like, DLC packs.
Yeah.
And that's basically what you spend Robux on.
So it's like half Fortnite where you buying money just to change your outfit.
Yeah.
But
And you want to spend $100 on it?
it's not just the outfit, though.
Bruh.
You can buy stuff for it, like, actually help you in the games you play.
Like
Next
what?
time y'all pull it and say something about buying some mess like that for a game, y'all eating clothes.
Yeah, y'all
Socks,
crazy.
underwear.
You trying to have your character fresh with swag? You need to have swag yourself. That's crazy.
Then be running around somebody ain't got nothing to wear. I don't wonder why. Your character living a life.
Man, your character fresh as heck out here, man.
But
My
Roblox,
character got so many clothes, bro.
basically, Roblox is a game with a whole bunch of other games.
Cause Kai come ask you for money, then he stand there and look at you like he don't need. He stand there like he a bill collector.
Yeah. Hey, when he texts you, this man that texts you, ask you a question. 4 seconds later, he might send you a question mark.
Like you literally, he'll say, "Do you got $5?" And then as soon as you pick your phone up, he'll send a question mark. You like,
Yep.
do you know it take time for the message to come through? He just instantly question, son, give us a second.
I instantly replied.
He don't ask us this while we at the store or work or something. He asks us this while all of us in the same house. Like, what the heck?
I just saw him leave me alone so many times. He stay doing it to me. Can I cook some eggs? Question mark.
You made do a whole breakfast the other day.
At night.
Yeah, man, he might have some doggone eggs with some cheese in it. Scramble them up, put them to the side. I said, man, what you doing? So I'm making me some food. Man, got the bacon put in the skillet, fried the bacon. I said, dang. Thought I was gonna get some of it, but the man was gone. I don't know where he went to, but he was gone.
That's what you missed. You thought you was gonna get some cow food.
Yeah.
No, it's like he came in here and there early and was like, "Is there rice in there? This in the refrigerator? Is that for what went with the beef stew?" And I was like, "Yeah." He was like, "Okay." So then he disappeared. Then 2 minutes later, he come walking in with a bag, a blue bag. I was like, "Turn that bag around. It will not be what I think. It's a bag of biscuits."
That man was so mad when he walked back in.
You might want them biscuits.
No way he was still hungry. He be bored snacking. Get you some sunflower seeds.
Yeah, them just true. I just hate when I'm eating sunflower seeds and I'm messing around and spit the doggone seed out instead of the shell. You mad as a mother. Dang, you know how much trouble I went through to get the doggone
I
seed
can
out of the
deal
shell?
with that. I don't like them burnt ones.
Yeah, I'm done nasty as heck.
I like the ranch sunflower seeds.
It's
Yeah.
almost nothing that's good when it's
Barbecue
burnt.
was.
Really, the only thing about sunflower seeds is the flavor
Yep.
of the
The shell. Yeah.
I thought he meant like just the.
No, heck no.
Which guy? I'm like no.
Cause you can buy the kernels and they don't even taste like that good by themselves. They taste like the last bag we got. They taste like grease.
Yeah, but the sea salt ones used to be real good. It tastes like they sit in a whole thing of Crisco.
Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know if it was the actual taste of the wrapping that they had, and then how they processed it or whatever it was. But that
It was wrong.
yeah, that's that was up. It don't taste the same. It don't taste the same as it do.
I was
You
trying
get
to
it out
waste
the
some
doggone
money. I was
shell.
like, man, I can't do this.
sunflower seeds is too much work, like crawfish. You do too much work for a little bit of food.
I don't even like crawfish. I can't say I don't like them. I ain't never tried them.
They're not bad. They just not something I'll eat every time.
I think I had some from China.
They look like
a while
little
back.
bitty. They like freaking cockroaches. Like little,
Yeah, they do.
little river cockroaches or something. Like, bro, I'm not. Heck
What they
no.
are.
Huh?
What they are.
Yeah, I'm straight on that. I'm just don't even look. Look at that. They be looking at you in the pack. All of them just sitting there looking at you like this.
They sea roaches.
Bro, I'm not eating that. What the heck?
Like, hey, what's up?
I'll eat the tail, but people be doing like, nah.
I'm straight.
Some folks be going above and beyond.
Yeah, I'm super straight on that. I can't do it. Now shrimp,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
It's
Pretty much
tolerable.
the same thing.
Huh?
Pretty much the same
It's
thing.
peeled.
Nah,
though.
It's just because you don't see it with the head.
I have one.
I've seen them with the head before.
I'm saying it's not a regular thing.
Like a
9 times out of
freaking-
10, you see them in the store, they already
Like
hard.
a shrimp with an octopus face. You know what I'm saying?
What the?
Somebody
Yeah,
has.
exactly. It don't look right. Yeah, take that head off that shrimp. Don't leave. Them big old shrimp, them prawns. Heck no.
I remember when we went to Atlanta and we had them corn dogs.
Yeah.
Them cheese corn dogs. They were so good.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I was
Hot
there for
though.
that.
Hmm?
I don't think I was there for that.
You missed out.
Yep. You fouled up.
I was gonna get the squid ink one, but then I was like, no,
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, that one sound right.
I wanted to enjoy it. I know I was gonna enjoy it.
I got the one that was
Had potatoes on it.
no, you got that one. I got the one that had sugar. It was just cheese and inside and it was sugar.
Yeah, that's what
Man,
I
that
got.
just tore the top of my mouth up, man. I'm sitting there. No, because that and them doggone sharp tail potatoes. Them potatoes are sharp as a mug. The edges on them.
It looked like you know the eggshell mashes, like if you cut it up in little cubes. That's
Yeah.
how it looked. It didn't even look like potatoes. It looked like little eggshell mashes, like stuck to a corn dog.
It's like eating squares. Like I'm sitting there eating.
It had like hot. It had like ketchup and mustard on it too, ain't it?
I didn't put nothing on mine. I just ate it how it was. It was good.
I had the regular one with sugar. and
Shayla
cheese.
and Brian tried to make them after we came back. Like not right after they tried to make them probably like 2 months ago. It was an epic fail.
You gotta fry them.
I think they did.
Remember
It
we
still
had
was
our
a fail.
air fryer. That
Bro.
wasn't there something wrong with it?
It made the food taste like plastic.
It was terrible.
like those what that was it
Cured.
yeah, the Keurig you bought.
Oh, it was like the hot chocolate and stuff.
That stuff
Okay.
smelled like chemical.
And so I went back.
Did
Because
they
when I read the
even
reviews, a
work
lot
those?
of people said theirs was the same way.
It doesn't smell like straight up chemical.
But I mean, at first, it wasn't that bad.
I ain't no drink out of it.
The air fryer, though, that was just, yeah.
But yeah,
What was for that for like mochas or something?
What?
The Keurig machine.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Oh. Didn't you used to have like them Starbucks cup things?
Mm-hmm.
You used to make Starbucks drinks every day or something? Like you had a
That's what she bought. That's what she bought the Keurig for.
Mm-hmm.
But that no.
Didn't we get the air fryer for, what was it, hot Cheetos?
I was
Something?
ready for
I
it.
got it because everybody raved about how good everything was in it.
I'm not sure if we just got the wrong one or something, but
No, I just rather we got an expensive one. Apparently we should got the cheap one or something. I just rather fry it. Forget the herb, give me some oil.
I was ready for that hot chicken too.
It's like having. It's like buying. Like how about like them cheap drinks, like Faygo drinks 5 of them.
The cotton
Man.
candy one.
I haven't had that one.
Faygo killing the game with the
Yeah.
drinks.
I barely see cotton candy Faygo.
It's a lot of times the generic is way better than name brand. A
Original.
lot.
Like off-brand cereal.
Man,
Some of the brands here.
man, the
Ooh.
fake Captain Crunch.
It depends on like
Yeah,
if
it
you
depends
get
on
which
which one you
brand,
get.
which store
Mhm.
brand. 'Cause
Like
some
them
store
bad
brands
ones?
fail.
Oh, the Kroger one. I'm talking about the Kroger one.
Yeah.
Kroger fake Captain Crunch. Them fat.
I don't really like the bagged ones.
They got the Kroger Toffees.
You can't leave them in the
I'm finna
in the
get
milk too long though, cause them
the
not gonna be
cereal,
solid.
the clear containers for the cereal.
Oh,
yeah.
and you get them.
You ain't gonna know
I think I know. Like them
If
red
you-
tops, you open it up.
But you know what? If you don't see the box, you don't know no different. The way y'all eat, I'm gonna have to go find somebody who's selling 40-pound bags for $3.
Man, what?
My favorite type of cereal
Man,
is
got
the
that.
Trix.
Get the cereal for the little bro.
My favorite is probably Reese's Puffs. They're so good, bro.
They good, but Trix is way better.
I can't even.
Yeah, Trick cereal is good.
My first time having it was like some months ago. Not too many.
I like Kix though. Kix cereal pretty good. It really don't taste like nothing, but it has a taste, but it's alright.
What is that?
I don't know. I don't think I
Kix
know.
cereal.
I don't think.
It's the same shape as Reese's Puff cereal, but it's like
It's
yellow.
Yeah. It's little balls.
I think I know.
Little yellow balls.
No, I'm thinking about Pops. I think.
It's been a long.
Pops get stale so quick.
Man,
You
what
gotta
the
eat the
fuck?
whole box right then.
Man, them and Smacks. Smacks gets there so doggone quick.
Them what was that cereal? Like it had literal cookies in it.
Ooh, I know.
Cookie crisp.
Yeah, I think that's what it was.
Man, that joint is Cavity City. Hey, let me smoke cool.
They were good, but after long they were stale.
Yeah, I know it. Man,
I'm full.
I ain't gonna lie, me too.
Yeah, I did kind of eat something before.
This is all for the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video.
Ding.
And
Yeah, got anything else to add to this?
This food was delicious.
Alright, guys. We checking out of here with a half glass Kool-Aid.
I ain't know, but you know.
I'm gonna drink the rest of mine.
Peace, y'all.
Yeah.
Bye.